Hello students, so in my previous video I have already discussed about the periodic classification of the elements. So in that we have discussed the different classification of the elements given by the different scientists. So the first one was the Doberan's trait, the second one was the Newland law of octets, then the third one, that is the Mendel's periodic table, and the fourth, that is the last one, it is the modern periodic table which we followed it now. So this modern periodic table only we follow it. So now let us know about the trends in the modern periodic table. So what are the different trends that is used in the modern periodic table? So the first one is the valency. So valency means what? That is the number of valence electron present in the outermost cell of its atom. So valency is the what? It is the number of the valence electron that is present in the outermost cell of the atom. And you see valency, the first one you see valency on moving from left to right. On moving from left to right in each period, the valency of the element, it increases from 1 to 4. Okay, it increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases to 0. So you see this periodic table, you see the valency, it has increases to 1 to 4 and then it has decreases to 0. So it is in the case of the period, but you see in case of the group, the valency, it always remains the same. Means down the group, you could see here down the group, the valency, it remains same. So we got that valency always on moving from left to right in each period, the valency of the elements, it increases from 1 to 4 and then it decreases to 0. But in case of the group, the valency, it remains same. Okay. Next trend, it is the atomic size. So atomic size means what? It refers to the radius of the atom. So what is the radius of the atom? It will be the atomic size, and it can be visualized as the distance between the center, from the center of the nucleus to the outermost cell of the, so that is the atomic size. So atomic size, you see, it decreases, atomic size, it decreases as we move from left to right, okay, in the period. So atomic size, you see, in this, it decreases from left to right across the period and it increases from top to bottom down the group. So the atomic size, remember that it decreases from left to right across the period and it increases from top to bottom down the group. So next you see, it is the metallic character. So metallic character means what? That is the tendency of an atom to lose the electrons. And always remember that metals, it occupies the left hand side of the periodic table, and metals are always electropositive, and the metallic character on moving from left to right in a period, it decreases. Okay, and the metallic character, when we go down the period, it increases. So that is, you see, you could see here in this periodic table that it decreases from left to right across the period and increases from top to bottom down the group. Next you see non-metallic character. So non-metallic character, in this case, the remember that the non-metals, it occupies the right hand side of the periodic table, and the non-metals are always electropositive as they tend to form the bonds by gaining the electrons. And non-metallic character, it increases across the period and it decreases as we move down the group. So these are about the non-metallic characters. Then in the middle of the periodic table, the elements they are the metalloids, because they exhibit both the properties of the metals and non-metals. And the next trend, it is about the nature of oxides. Remember that the oxides of the metals, they are basic in nature, and the oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. So we got here the different trends in the periodic table. The first one, that is the valency. Valency is what it happens in case of the group, it remains same, but in case of the period, when you move from left to right Then the valency of the elements, it increases from 1 to 4 and decreases to 0. Next we got the atomic size. Atomic size, you see, it decreases from left to right across a period and it increases from top to bottom down the group. Then next we got about the metallic character. Metallic character, it decreases from left to right across a period and increases from top to bottom down the group. Then we got about the non-metallic character. Non-metallic character, it increases from left to right across the period and decreases from top to bottom down the group. And the last one we got that the nature of oxides, that is the oxides of metals are basic in nature and the oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. So this is all about the periodic classification of the elements.